Lapidary, and just wanted to talk to all the people that are stuck in quarantine right now. We're working in the factory here in China. We're back to normal. We are wearing our mask all the time, though I'm not wearing it for my video. But right now we're about ready to ship. We have 3 containers of stuff here, so there'll be lots of machines for you guys to be using while you're stuck in quarantine. I know some of you are waiting on machines right now, waiting on parts. We got a big shipment that's leaving on Tuesday, and then we have another one that's right after that, and then another following that. Behind me, we've got 16s and crates, high-speed sphere machines, R1M reciprocal laps. I'm standing with the bull wheels. I got people waiting on bull wheels, and then a whole bunch of the cabin units.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.